Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to install Doom onto your R4 card and play it. So the link will be in the description. It'll just bring you to this GBA temp web page. As you can see, this is like a custom project for R4 cards. It's actually really cool. So you want to scroll down here and just look for the download. So here it is, it's just a Google Drive download. You can just hit the download option up here. Right guys, so once your file's downloaded, you just want to head over to your downloads folder. From here you just want to do right click, extract here. Now all you want to do is just make sure your R4's SD card's connected to your PC, and then just simply drag this folder over to the root of it. So it's a really small file. It was last modified in 2014, so it's kind of an old project now. But it's still pretty cool. As you can see, it's got the PR Boom WAD. I'm pretty sure you can play normal Doom WADs on this as well, maybe even custom ones. I'm not sure. But what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and show you guys this working on my DS Lite.
Right guys, so on my DS Lite right now, I'm just going to go ahead and launch up the R4. So once you're on the home screen like this, it will just say DS Doom, it will just be in a folder. You can just press A on that. Then it will have the dsdoom.nds file inside of that folder. You can just press A to launch that. Okay, so it has all of these options. I'm pretty sure you can change the WAD here as well. You can change to multiplayer, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, multiplayer. Screen mode dual, I'll probably leave that on. Yeah, so here you can change WADs, so I'll play some Doom 2. Okay, now let's just press Start DS Doom. Right guys, so Doom 2 didn't actually work, it said WAD not found or something like that, so maybe I have to download it. I'm pretty sure I didn't see it on there, to be honest. Anyway, so it's just going to give you like a small demo of what it's like. You can just press start on this bit. New game, just choose whatever you want really. And as you can see, we're on. Now it runs completely fine. I think A's switch weapons. So we've got an X switch. I'm not sure what shoot is actually. Oh, it's Y to shoot, okay. So this has full sound as well. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. Yeah, so you can play this on your 3DSs and 2DS as well, and of course DSi, anything that supports the R4 card. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.